Okay, so we're going to talk about centering today. So I've got Pickle Rick here, and let's just say I have moved Pickle Rick off center. So maybe we've moved him out here somewhere. Now, let's go back into perspective viewport here. So I'm going to go into my utilities menu here and select the center object tool. So when I click on that, a little window will come up. Actually, I've got to select him first, and then center object, a little window will come up here. Now, at the moment, we want Pickle Rick to move to 0, so right at F4 there. And we keep all of these X, Y, and Z boxes checked. And then when we hit center, then that centers Pickle Rick right into F4. Now, this is particularly handy for rings. So say for example you've resized a ring and it's somewhere out here after you finish the resize, and you want that ring to be at F4 now. Maybe you're going to create some supports for it for 3D printing, etc. So what we can do is we can select Pickle Rick here, and we can go back to our utilities and our center button there, and we can turn off the X and we can turn off the Z because we only want it to move in this Y axis here. So when we hit center, then that will center Pickle Rick right into that Y axis there. Now that's particularly handy, as I said, for pieces that you have resized and you know, they're off a little bit, so when it comes to creating supports for them, that's a really handy tool to have. Now it is important that you're in the correct viewport when you select your center option. You know, if you're in the side viewport and you go to Y, then it's probably going to take you to a different level altogether. So be mindful of that. All right, I hope that helps.